Our new way to travel? Imagine cruising through smart cities in autonomous shuttles. It's not science fiction, it's our future. Today, we explore autonomous shuttles and ride pooling. These technologies make transportation efficient. They enhance mobility for everyone. Well, first, what are autonomous shuttles? These are driverless vehicles. They transport people safely and efficiently. No need for a human driver. Next, consider ride pooling. This service groups passengers going the same way. It reduces congestion and saves money. More people in fewer vehicles mean less traffic. Now, how do these work together? Smart cities rely on data. They optimize routes and improve safety. By connecting shuttles and ride pooling, we create seamless transportation systems. Imagine using a mobile app to book a ride. It finds the fastest, cheapest option. You hop on an autonomous shuttle with others heading the same way. Easy, right? Let's look at an example. Picture a busy downtown area. Traffic is heavy, and parking is scarce. Autonomous shuttles shuttle people efficiently. They pick up multiple passengers from different locations. This reduces wait times and traffic jams. In summary, autonomous shuttles and ride pooling transform urban transportation. They make our cities more connected and sustainable. By embracing these technologies, we create smarter, better environments. So, are you excited about the future? Join us in exploring these innovations. Stay informed, and be part of the change coming to your city. As you step aboard an autonomous shuttle, a sense of anticipation fills the air. The vehicle glides smoothly away from the curb, seamlessly merging into the flow of traffic while the smart systems on board emphasize safety and efficiency. As you settle into your seat, the shuttle's digital interface lights up, displaying the route and estimated arrival time. Curious passengers chat softly, sharing their excitement about this new way of commuting. Conversations buzz about how these systems could reshape their daily journeys, connecting them in ways previously unimaginable. As you glance out the window, the cityscape flashes by, showcasing gleaming smart buildings and green spaces. Nearby, another shuttle pulls up, its doors opening to welcome a new set of passengers, each one eager to experience this cutting-edge mode of travel. The atmosphere feels vibrant. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but about being part of a revolutionary shift in urban mobility. Suddenly, the shuttle makes a turn, and you notice a group of people waiting at a designated ride pooling zone, ready to hop onto the next shuttle heading their way. Excitement builds as you realize how much easier this system makes navigating the bustling city. As the shuttle glides toward the designated stop, the voice of an onboard assistant gently prompts passengers, "Please prepare to disembark at the next location." The atmosphere inside is lively, with laughter and chatter echoing, highlighting the community that this innovative transport method fosters. You notice how everyone shares a common destination, creating connections among strangers, bridging gaps that were once filled with isolation during previous commutes. Excitedly, you grab your belongings and prepare to step into the vibrant world outside, where convenience and technology harmonize beautifully. As you step off the shuttle, the sound of city life surrounds you, blending with the hum of conversation from fellow passengers. You can't help but feel a sense of belonging, realizing that this new travel experience is about more than just transport, it's about community. The ride pooling system has not only brought people together but has also significantly reduced the congestion that once plagued this bustling area. As you look around, you observe the larger impact of these autonomous shuttles, transforming the urban landscape into a more accessible and connected environment for everyone. The world of autonomous shuttles and ride pooling is here, revolutionizing how we travel and connect with one another. Together, these technologies pave the way for smarter and more sustainable cities, improving the quality of urban life for all. Join the movement toward a brighter future. The digital interface provides real-time updates, showing other nearby shuttles in their journeys, a feature designed to optimize routes based on demand. As you touch the screen, you discover options to tailor your experience further, music choices, temperature settings, and even seat preferences. Each adjustment makes you feel more at home in this futuristic ride. Conversations around you shift from the sheer novelty of driverless travel to how these changes might affect broader issues like climate change and urban planning. Someone mentions a recent study highlighting a 30% reduction in emissions thanks to efficient ride-pooling methods, which sparks a lively debate on the ongoing need for sustainable practices in development. As the shuttle continues its journey, the onboard assistant interjects with helpful information about upcoming stops, encouraging passengers to plan their outings. You glance around, noticing how everyone is engaged, either absorbed in their own thoughts or exchanging ideas with fellow riders. The shuttle slows as it approaches a vibrant neighborhood filled with bustling shops and green parks. A palpable sense of excitement fills the air, reflected in the smiles of passengers as they anticipate their destinations. Some discuss meeting friends at a nearby cafe, while others talk about exploring hidden gems along their route. As the shuttle comes to a smooth halt, the doors slide open with a gentle hiss, inviting you to step out into the lively atmosphere of the neighborhood. You take a deep breath, inhaling the fresh scent of blooming flowers and delicious food wafting from nearby eateries. Excited chatter fills the street as you join fellow passengers, all sharing stories about where they plan to explore. Each person's enthusiasm adds to the vibrant energy, creating a sense of camaraderie among strangers. The freedom of this new commuting method allows everyone to engage with their surroundings, encouraging spontaneity in their urban adventures. With a confident stride, you make your way into the bustling day, feeling empowered by this innovative approach to travel that has reshaped your connection to the city and its communities. The experience of autonomous shuttles and ride-pooling doesn't just change how we move, it revitalizes the very fabric of urban life by fostering relationships and shared experiences, making each day an opportunity for discovery. As you weave through the crowds, you reflect on how this transformation signifies a brighter future for cities everywhere, seamlessly integrating technology with humanity. Your journey is not just a personal one. It symbolizes the collective evolution towards smarter, more sustainable living, enhancing the urban experience for all. As you engage with the atmosphere, a sudden commotion catches your attention. A cluster of excited children runs past, their laughter echoing amidst the hum of the neighborhood. Their enthusiasm is infectious, reminding you of how this vibrant environment thrives on the very technology now at your fingertips. You can't help but smile, realizing that the communities fostered by these modes of transport are not just about efficiency, but also about building bonds and enriching lives through shared experiences. Just moments later, you overhear a couple discussing an art exhibit just a short walk away, sparking your desire to explore new cultural horizons. This interconnectedness is precisely what autonomous shuttles and ride-pooling aim to nurture, aiming to intertwine mobility with community connections, ensuring nobody feels isolated in their urban adventures. Excited by the prospect of adventure, you decide to delve into this neighborhood, eager to see what hidden treasures await. As you stroll down the lively street, the sounds of music drift from a nearby park, where a local band has set up for the afternoon. A crowd gathers, captivated by the melodies that fill the air. It's a scene of community life at its finest, where spontaneous moments thrive alongside planned destinations. You pause for a moment, letting the music wash over you, feeling the vibrant pulse of the city. Nearby, vendors sell artisanal goods and treats, tempting you with their colorful displays. It's not just an ordinary day out, it's a celebration of everything that makes urban living unique. With each passing moment, the realization deepens that this innovative transport system has invited a renewed appreciation for local experiences, allowing individuals to reconnect with their neighborhoods in meaningful ways. As you reach the park, the communal atmosphere resonates with laughter and conversation, showcasing how these autonomous shuttles and ride-pooling systems weave seamlessly into the fabric of daily life. More than a commuting solution, this is a revolution in how we experience our cities. As you stand there embracing the atmosphere, you can't help but wonder how each shuttle ride connects people with different stories. The gentle laughter of friends meeting, the surprise of strangers bonding over shared interests, and the spontaneous plans formed on the go exemplify a transformation in urban social dynamics. You take a seat on a nearby bench, pausing to reflect on how this new travel experience not only enriches individual lives but also cultivates a sense of collective identity within the community. Each interaction, whether brief or lasting, contributes to a vibrant mosaic of urban life, showcasing the beauty and potential of a connected society. You take a moment to absorb the energy around you, feeling grateful for the convenience that this new system brings. The vibrant sounds of laughter and music remind you of the joy found in these shared spaces, enriching experiences for everyone involved. The exhilaration of these rides and connections paints a hopeful picture for the future, affirming that through innovation, our cities can thrive as ever-evolving ecosystems. Embracing these technologies fosters a deeper sense of community, ensuring that everyone travels not just as riders, but as integral parts of a revitalized urban narrative. As you step into the ride-pooling zone, the buzz of conversations fills the air, demonstrating the infectious energy of a community on the move. You overhear snippets of excitement as strangers discuss their plans, unaware that soon they will share more than just a ride. They'll share stories and experiences that create connections. The autonomous shuttle pulls up, its sleek design a testament to modern engineering. The doors open with a soft whoosh, inviting you to step inside. Each passenger finds their space, laughter and friendly greetings intertwining as everyone settles in for the journey ahead. The anticipation builds as the shuttle prepares to depart, truly showcasing a new era in public transportation. You can feel the gentle hum of the shuttle's engine as it starts to move, gliding smoothly through the bustling streets. The onboard digital display provides real-time updates, showcasing the route ahead and upcoming stops, ensuring passengers are informed every step of the way. You glance around and notice others immersed in their phones or chatting animatedly, all contributing to the lively atmosphere of shared excitement and anticipation. Suddenly, the shuttle approaches a designated stop, and the voice of the onboard assistant cheery chimes in, announcing the next destination. The energy in the shuttle transforms into an eagerness for new experiences, reflecting the profound potential for connection that this innovative transport method fosters within the community. With every passing block, the city reveals its charm, a blend of modern architecture and lush green parks, inspiring awe as you navigate through its heart. You witness how the smart systems work together, adjusting the shuttle's speed according to real-time traffic conditions, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. As the shuttle approaches its next stop, the onboard assistant reminds passengers of the estimated arrival time, and people start gathering their belongings in anticipation. A group of energetic students, laughing and sharing stories, catch your attention, reminding you of the connections being fostered among diverse individuals. As the vehicle glides to a halt, the doors slide open smoothly, welcoming new passengers with friendly smiles, eager to join the journey ahead. With each ride, you recognize this is more than just transportation, it's a movement towards reshaping urban experiences, where every trip carries the promise of new friendships and shared moments. The excitement reverberates through the air like a melody of hope, encapsulating the essence of what these autonomous shuttles symbolize in the evolution of city life. As the doors open, the bustle of energy continues to flow, inviting fresh faces into the shuttle. A mother with her child steps in, the little one's eyes wide with wonder at the sleek interior. Nearby, a couple offers their seats, embodying the kind-hearted spirit of shared travel. The atmosphere buzzes with chatter as everyone settles anew, each person embracing the adventure unfolding before them. The shuttle systems take charge once more, recalibrating the route to accommodate the new passengers, optimizing for a smooth experience. The onboard display shifts, highlighting the next stop, capturing the collective curiosity of everyone on board. An air of camaraderie fills the space, underscoring how these journeys turn strangers into companions, aptly reflecting a future where travel is not only efficient but enriching. As the shuttle resumes its journey, the city hums with life outside, and you can't help but admire how these autonomous vehicles effortlessly blend into the urban rhythm. The neon signs of nearby shops and the laughter of children playing in a park whiz by, painting a picture of community spirit that resonates deeply. Passengers continue to engage in light-hearted conversations, exchanging anecdotes about their day or discussing upcoming events, highlighting the spontaneity that such an innovative transport system encourages. You feel a sense of anticipation about where this journey will take you, not only in terms of destination but also in the connections formed along the way. Each stop becomes an opportunity for new faces and stories to interlace, weaving a rich tapestry of human experience amidst the sleek efficiency of technology. Looking at your fellow travelers, you realize that you're all part of a greater narrative, one that transcends the mundane and embraces the promise of a shared, brighter future. As the shuttle accelerates, the light rain begins to fall, each droplet sparkling like tiny diamonds against the windshield. Inside, the atmosphere remains warm and inviting, untouched by the weather outside. A curious teenager glances up from her phone, captivated by the sight of the raindrops racing down the glass. Nearby, an elderly man shares a friendly chuckle with a fellow passenger as they both avert their eyes from the hectic outside world to each other, bonding over shared memories. Meanwhile, your thoughts wander, contemplating how this seamless integration of technology and human connection brings an invigorating breath of fresh air to the bustling urban landscape. Each colorful neighborhood you pass serves not just as a backdrop but as a reflection of the vibrant community interconnected by these shuttles, each corner teeming with life and stories waiting to unfold. As the shuttle glides through the city, the rain clears, revealing a breathtaking sunset that bathes the landscape in golden hues. A sense of awe washes over the passengers as they glance out, marveling at the way the light dances on the buildings, casting long shadows and illuminating vibrant street life. The chatter softens, replaced by an appreciative silence, as everyone shares in this moment of beauty together, forging an unspoken bond that transcends their individual journeys. As the shuttle continues on its path, the sun fully disappears, replaced by the twinkling lights of the city. Laughter and chatter return, knitting together the passengers' experiences in a tapestry of connection and familiarity. The rush of daily life seems distant now, as the journey serves as a reminder of the joy of community amidst advancing technology. The future has arrived, and it beckons everyone to be part of this exciting change. As you embark on this captivating journey, the glow of the city lights dances across the windows, illuminating faces both familiar and new. The atmosphere feels electric, charged with the excitement of potential connections unfolding among passengers. A young woman seated beside you glances up from her book, her eyes sparkling with curiosity as she strikes up a conversation. "Have you tried ride pooling before?" she asks, clearly eager to share her experiences. The exchange is effortless, as if the shuttle has created an invisible thread binding everyone through shared purpose and adventure.